Hello everyone, and I'm Ira. Today I'm going to tell you a new sound. But before learning the sound, I will tell you a story. Shelly was a sheep. Sally was a sheep. She used to feel shy. One day her mother shouted on her because she used to feel shy in front of her friends. Which sound did we hear in the story? Did we hear ch, ch, no, th, no, the, no? Oh yes, we heard shh, shh, yeah? So, whenever we see S and H, the sound is shh, shh, yes? So, which words were with shh? Yes, Shelly, sheep, shout, shy, and she. So these 5 words were with sh. Can you see another sound with sh? Yes, shop, shop. You like to shop on Big Bazaar or any other app? Because we cannot go out because of the coronavirus. So, shh. And I will give you a homework. You have to search any 5 words with shh and write them in your notebook. So, bye-bye. But don't forget the word shh or the sound. Bye-bye.